Hi, Kipsters. I don't know about you, but I've started to go a little stir crazy having to stay inside. I've started dressing up in weird clothing and looking for leprechauns. Did you see that? Kipsters, what is that?
I've hidden magical items all around the house. See how many you can find. Yahoo!
Oh my goodness. I think we should do that, right? Okay, I'm gonna go see how many coins I can find. Why don't you get 20 objects to help you count today while I look for these coins? I'll be right back.
She'll never find them. Ha ha ha! Hee hee hee! She's after me Lucky Charms. Yeah ha ha!
Oh my goodness. Well, are you ready? Okay, so I was out looking all around the house under the couch cushions and things, and I found, count them with me, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I found 7 chocolate coins. Whoop, whoop!
Hey, Miss Livy! I found all these chocolate coins.
What? Wait, you knew about the leprechaun?
Yeah, I saw them running around.
Wait, how many coins did you find? I found 7.
I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Haha, I beat you. 8, 9.
What? How did you find 9? Oh my goodness. Well, okay, so I found 7 gold coins, or green coins. Gabby found 9. I wonder how many we found all together. So, I'm seeing all together, so I'm going to be putting these together. I'm going to be putting these together. Awesome. Okay, so I'm counting. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my goodness, we found 16 coins. So I just counted them, but I'm also going to draw a picture up here to help me see it and then write a number sentence to go with it. All right, so I'm going to start with Gabby's coins. Gabby had how many coins?
9.
Yeah, 9 coins. So I'm going to draw 9 math circles. I'm going to draw
9 math circles.
awesome. And I'm going to put them in those 5 groups that we were talking about so that it's organized, so that it's
Organized.
awesome. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to swoop down. I'm going to
Swoop down.
and keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9. So those are Gabby's 9 in a 5 group. And then I'm going to draw mine 7 in a 5 group. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to
Swoop down.
and go 6, 7. Awesome. So now one more time, I can count them all together. I can count them
All together.
awesome. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Boom. So now I'm going to write my number sentence. And so I know since I'm putting it together, I'm going to use my plus sign. I'm going to use my
Plus sign.
awesome. So we started with Gabby's 9, so I'm going to write 9. And then I'm going to add my 7 that I found. So I have my plus sign, so 9 plus 7, and that equals 16, which was our total. And now if we want to be really tricky, because we know we can move the parts of our number sentence, but keep our parts by the plus sign, I can write 16 equals 9 plus 7, because I just know my parts always go by the plus sign. Awesome. So today, I'm going to give you some more math stories to solve that are put together problems that are
Put together problem.
and we're going to solve them trying to write number sentence, and you can either use your objects or you can draw math pictures up here. All right. So the first problem. Being stuck in the house is the worst. Trying to find things to keep me interesting. So I was watching the mail carrier the other day, and she brought me 8 pieces of mail. She brought me
8 pieces of mail.
Yeah. So then the next day, she brought me 6 pieces of mail. She brought me
6 pieces of mail.
All right. So now to solve that, I need to find how many she brought all together. To solve that, I'm going to draw math circles to help me figure it out. While I do this, I'm going to erase really fast. You can either start trying to solve with your whatever you found to help you count, or you can draw a picture. Erase, erase. Awesome. All right. So remember, I said that I first got 8 pieces of mail. So I need to draw
8
math circles. I need to draw
8 math circles.
All right, count them with me. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swoop down. 6, 7, 8. Coolsies. So now I need to draw 6 math circles because I got 6 pieces of mail the next day. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swoop down. 6. All right. So now what do I need to do to find out how many count I got all together? Oh, yeah, I need to count them all together. I need to count them
all together.
Awesome. Come with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 14 all together. All right, now for my number sentence. Let's see if we can figure out the 2 that we need to go with it. So we've got blank plus blank equals blank, and blank equals blank plus blank. All right. So I know starting at my plus signs, I always put my parts. I always put my
parts.
And our parts were, I should have written this already, 8 and 6. So I'm going to fill in 8 plus 6. I've got
8 plus 6.
And then down here, same thing. I'm going to skip down here and write 8 plus 6 so I don't make mistakes. My parts always go by the plus sign. So then after that, I fill in my whole. So when I counted it all together, we counted 14. We counted 14. So I've got 8 plus 6 equals
14.
And then over here, even though it's switched up and backwards, I can say 14 equals 8 plus 6. Say it with me. 14 equals 8 plus 6. Whoosh.
Whoosh.
All right. Whew. I need a break for a second. While we do that, let's do a quick cheer. I'm going to say boom, and you say whoosh. Boom. Boom.
Whoosh.
Boom, boom.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Awesome. All right. Next one. Let me draw a line so we can save our work. Do you hear something? Like, oh, is the leprechaun spying on us? Am I going crazy, or do you see that? I think he wants some chocolate. That was kind of weird, huh? Okay. Anyway, maybe that's great. So I just remembered I've been snacking a lot too, and I had some fruit snacks earlier. So in my fruit snack, I had 7 blue fruit snacks and then 6 red fruit snacks. So what's the first thing I'm going to be doing? Yeah, I've got to draw those math circles. So I said 7 blue fruit snacks, so I'm going to draw 7 math circles in my 5 groups. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swoop down, 6, 7, and this time I'm going to remember to write 7 right here. And then I had 6 red fruit snacks, so I'm going to draw 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to write my 6 right here so I remember those parts. And then, what do I do again? Yeah, I have to count them all together. I have to count them
All together.
awesome. All right, count them with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, so I had 13 fruit snacks. All right. So now let's see. What do we remember? I'm going to put our number sentences here for us to fill out. What do we remember about filling out those number sentences so we don't get tricked? Yeah, I have to put the parts by the plus sign. I have to put the
Parts by the plus sign.
awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and circle those parts so I don't get, or the plus sign so I don't get tricked. And I know my parts were 7 and 6 because that's what I'm putting together. That's what I'm
Putting together.
all right, so I've got 7 plus 6 up here, and then I'm going to write 7 plus 6 down here. And then I'm going to go in, I'm going to fill in my holes. I'm going to,
Fill in my holes.
so 7 plus 6 equals 13, or 13 equals 7 plus 6. Awesome. Oh, looks like we ran out of space, so I'm going to erase this top part. Say it with me, erase, erase, erase.
Erase, 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 erase. Erase, erase. Erase, erase, erase.
Ooh.
Erase, erase, erase. Erase, erase, erase.
All right, so one last practice problem, and then we're going to go for our exit ticket, and then I've got a little challenge. All right, so then, I'm just so bored sometimes. I watched 9 YouTube videos when I woke up, and then I read a couple of books, and then I had some lunch, and then I watched 9 more YouTube videos after lunch. It's a lot of YouTube videos. Ooh. So, I watched 9 YouTube videos when I woke up, and then I watched 9 after lunch. How many did I watch all together? What's the first thing I'm going to do? I need to draw my parts. I need to
Draw my parts.
awesome. So I'm going to draw 9, and I'm going to put it into 5 groups. I'm going to put it into
5 groups.
so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swoop down. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw my second part of 9. Again, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swoop down. 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9. And now what do I have to do? Yeah, I've got to count them all together. I've got to count them
All together.
awesome. Count them with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. My goodness, I've been watching a lot of YouTube. Maybe I should cut back and watch 18 YouTube videos. All right, now for those number sentences. By now we gotta have this, right? When I am filling in my number sentence, I always put my, parts by the plus sign. I always put my
Parts by the plus sign.
awesome. And so I know my parts are the smaller numbers, so I've got 9 and 9. That's what I'm putting together. So I've got, circle those plus signs, and I'm going to write 9 plus 9. I'm going to write
9 plus 9.
and then I go in and fill in my hole. So I've got 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus 9 equals
18.
Or I'm going to write 18 equals 9 plus 9. Or I'm going to write
18 equals 9 plus 9.
woohoo! All right, so now for the exit ticket. Let's see if you can figure it out all by yourself. All right, so we got to erase, erase, erase.
Erase, 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 erase.
All right, so while I was sitting at home, I was staring out the window, and first I saw 8 cute little puppies go by, and then I saw 7 more cute little puppies go by. Woof, woof. How many puppies did I see go by? So again, I saw 8 little puppies go by. Woof, woof. And And then I saw 7 more little puppies go by. Woof, woof. How many puppies did I see go by? Now I'm going to give you some time to figure this out on your own. Let's see if you can get both number sentences. You can also pause the video if you need more time to solve this. Okay, I'm going to show you the answer. If you need more time to solve right now, don't worry. Just pause the video and start it back up when you're ready to go. All right, so let's see. I said that first I saw 8 puppies walk by. So I'm going to draw those 8 puppies. Or the math circles, not the puppies, because that would take me way too long. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I said 7 more puppies went by. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 8. And now I've got 7. And now I know I have to count them all together. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my goodness, that's so many puppies. 15 puppies. And now for those 2 number sentences, let's see if you had those just like me. So remember, we always say the parts go by the plus sign. Our parts are the smaller numbers, 8 and 7. So I'm going to circle those plus signs, and I'm going to fill in 8 plus 7. I'm going to fill in 8 plus 7, and then my whole was 15, my biggest number. So I've got 8 plus 7 equals 15, and 15 equals 8 plus 7. Boom! Did you get that too? Give yourself a pat on the back if you did. Awesome. So I am so proud of you. We were putting together bigger numbers today to find the whole, and you guys did a fabulous job. I know. Send a picture of your work to your teacher if you think that you did a fabulous job too. Hey there, Mr. Leprechaun.
Fabulous job.
Do you think the Kipsters did a good job today?
Fabulous job.
Yeah, they've got really big brains, right?
Giant.
Oh, okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. I can't wait to talk to you guys all soon. And make sure you have a great day and send your teachers those pics.